Hello, everyone. My name is Carlos Carrillo. I am doing this project for my advanced web design class. Um, this is actually my second recording. When I first recorded it, I had an error with one of my databases, so it was a quick fix. It was just when I uploaded to the server last night, it was like 4 in the morning. I forgot one of the files to have uploaded, so it should be working now. Like it's this one, the product database. It wasn't showing. Like it would give me right the error page, which is weird because the details view was showing perfectly, but this one would always give the error page. So yeah, pretty much everything is up and running right now. So here is my project. It's a toy store that I named Toy Galaxy. It was actually based on one of my projects for database management. I did just the database on that, but I wanted to expand on that with a website. So here I made my own CSS template. I just went a little crazy with the colors here. I kind of used the same kind of format like the STC sitemap. So just playing around with that. I have the footer with our course name, Advanced Web Design, Toy Galaxy LLC, that stuff like that. I have the login control, so you can log in, create account. We'll test that later, but in the meantime, we'll go to the main page for project. So I just went crazy with the tables here. Like you just have just a standard, table here, just 3x3 table. Uh, So I just went crazy with image controls, on sale, these, and we go to our sitemap here. So sitemap has our different ones. They have about us folder, customer service folder, the products, the members only, and the management only. Now I couldn't get the trimming to work. Every time I tried to do the trimming, it just kept breaking the page. So I just settled for the members only. Just the anonymous users cannot get into these, but it can get into products, customer service, and main page, and the about us. So the about us, I just made like a quick little summary, and then just have fun with image controls here and there. Careers, pretty much the same thing as the other one. Just like for more information, call our call center, that stuff like that. And now the newsletter. Newsletters where I had the validation requirements. You see, required field validators. They're all there. And of course, a validation summary. Select title, first name required. So let me do all of that. I might as well cook them, right? Okay, so address. Yeah, 405 East Viking. It's a cool street name, you gotta admit. Okay, so now we test the other ones. You see the validators, they disappear when you have the right ones. Now for zip code, I'm just let's type in random numbers, and we get the expression validator saying zip code must have that format. So let's do that. Let's type them in our format. And there it is. See date of birth, random numbers. That it must be in that format. So let me do that. My birthday. There you go. Then you got the phone number. Use of formats. That. So here you go. And then one more for the validation. So you got the use of format. And there you go. Submission successful. Welcome to the Toy Galaxy newsletter. Now for that, let me just pull up this real quick. So you go newsletter, sign up. You see, I used just a table to keep all of them there. Require a few validators. You have your expression validators, regular expression validators, your range validator for your date of birth, a label to display, and the validation summary. So pretty much got all of those. Programming wise, didn't do anything too much. Just the one for the time of day, the page load, and of course the page is valid with the label display. Of course, I got to admit, I ran into a lot of problems because I forgot to put these when we had the validation assignments. So it's good to remember that. So I'm going to put up for this one, which is another one that has validators. This is in the customer service page. So it'll be your feedback, and which I have the requirements here. And of course the button submit. If I do that, that's when I will have the code. Let's see, view code. So btn submit. I have the if page is valid. I did this one in C# because like I do have the frame of references by going back to like the past assignments and see how they do it, you know. So you know, with our different variables here, st name, st email, the string, st posted URL. So you have where you input your stuff, and then the posted page just has what you typed. You know, just redirects to the posted URL. So let's do that. Let me just skip to the feedback page in the customer service. I'll go back to the other ones. I just want to see how this does. So here we go. Here's a monkey test. Might as well. Okay, there we go. Name, email, subject, and the comment, and return to feedback page. Now, since we're here, let's go to the customer service. Now, for the customer service page, I just use image control, and here I just wanted to use the hyperlinks to jump to the different pages. So go to the contact us, which has some random fake numbers and just the phone numbers and the emails and vice versa. And of course, we got our breadcrumb sitemap path here. So you got customer service, and all the links work. So go view current Earth date, which is calendar. So customer service, send us your feedback, and it takes us right to that. Now the products page. This is just a random table with random image controls. Hopefully this will work. Let's see if it does. Yes, it works. Okay, see, the way I did it, I just used just the form view here. No, this is the grid view. I used a grid view, so I had the ID, product name, the franchise, the price, the date released, the category ID, and the toy image. Now, the category ID I had for action figures and building toys. I just kept it simple. So, first one, ID, Poe Dameron's X-Wing, Star Wars, price $19.99. Although originally it was $39.99, but I was playing with the editing, and I changed it to $19.99 to make sure it works. So I got data release, category ID number 1, which is action figures, and I got both images here. This one and Ninja Steel Megazord. So let's go to the next one, building toys, Lego Minecraft, and Lego Ninjago's Destiny's Bounty. So that works, the products database. And then for the sake of the project, I decided to have another one in the details view. So it has ID, product name, or franchise, but it also has the paging. So it views each one as it has right there. So now, I wanted to show you the members only, but I can't because I need to log in with the credentials. So here are my credentials. So I just have my own name, the password, and the management roles for my own. And if we're only going to go to the members only, we use the customer role, which is for Jason with a capital J. So I'm going to use Jason.